Cool, so I'm just out here testing this DJI Mic Mini. I think the sound quality is pretty good, and it's very portable, very easy to use, so I think this will probably be my go-to mic for any type of wireless mic situation. Just walking around the track here at Desmond on my lunch, but yeah, so far so good. I'm really liking this mic, very easy to use. Alright, I'll see you guys later, bye. Alright, so all in all, I would say it's a great piece of equipment. I would highly recommend it for any of you guys that need any professional type sounding videos, or the professional audio in your videos. This is really going to step your game up for sure, and it's pretty affordable. I think it was like $150 or something like that, maybe even less. But all right, I'm gonna go edit this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.